Ivy can be a great plant for covering a fence, and here I'm effectively growing like a hedge on my timber fence. Now, after a summer season of growth, the ivy is starting to take over a bit. So now's the time to cut it back as hard as you like to keep it looking neat and tidy through to the end of the season and into winter.
It's an excellent time for taking cuttings of salvias. Choose unflowered shoots a few inches long. Cut just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves, nip out the growing tip. Place your cuttings around the edge of a clay pot up to the first remaining pair of leaves. Water well and put in a warm place out of direct sunlight. Spray them with water occasionally. Roots should be pushing through in a few weeks' time.
During the summer months, it's important to keep any glasshouse space cool and maintain high humidity. Water any stone, brick or concrete floors, prevent plants getting overheated, and to keep pests like red spider mite, which thrive in dry conditions, at bay.